New at 4, new court documents reveal the fire that destroyed the CVS pharmacy in Kissimmee and injured 3 people is now being investigated as a case of arson. Good afternoon, I'm Greg Warmoth.
I'm Darlene Jones. Investigative reporter Ashlyn Webb learned federal prosecutors just indicted the suspect in this case. The pharmacy is on South Orange Blossom Trail near Pleasant Hill Road. Ashlyn is there live now. And Ashlyn, this case has some really unusual evidence.
It really does, and you can see this store is still closed. These new documents say right after that fire started, the suspect walked across the street over here to this pharmacy to get burn cream. A worker said he had burn marks all over him, hair falling off of his body. That worker happened to collect the hair, and it's now a key piece of evidence. Mystery has surrounded what caused this eyesore. The former CVS store still charred and boarded up. On the scene in April, investigators say they noticed this man, Joao Marcelo Mendes Minillo, with burn marks all over his body, but didn't quite have all the details about his possible connection. Surveillance shows a man walking into the store with a red gas can right before the fire began. 3 minutes later, surveillance shows that same man then walking across the street into another store. The affidavit says employees at that store said the man asked for burn cream. There were burn marks on his hands, and the person was panicked. The employee said he smelled like gasoline and burnt hair. Another employee noticed as the man touched his beard, hair fell out into the business. The affidavit says that employee picked up the hair and placed it into an envelope, later giving it to investigators.
What's uncommon in this situation is how it was obtained.
We spoke to Rajan, Joshi, a criminal defense attorney, about this crazy piece of evidence.
Are there questions about how he collected it and also who all had access to this DNA?
Absolutely, and that's something very crucial because chain of custody is something that, is going to be scrutinized.
Now, Mendes Minillo is in the Polk County Jail, where he is on hold from multiple agencies, including ICE, the FBI, and U.S. Marshals. Will continue to follow this case, but for now, reporting in Osceola County, Ashlyn Webb, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.